are you? I hope that you will be fine and happy. Today we will read this chapter for sound of vowels E. Okay, let us start now this chapter. H-E-N, hen. P-E-N, pen. M-E-N, man. P-E-T, pet. N-E-T, net. And J-E-T, jet. Okay. नेक्स्ट some words EG ऐड करना है. एग्जाम्पल है LEG leg, PEG peg, TEG tag, KEG keg, EGG egg and BEG bag. ओके. नेक्स्ट है ED ऐड करना है. BED bed, LED led, RED red, FED fed and WED bed and SHED shed. नेक्स्ट है EN. EN से वर्ड बना HEN, hen. DEN, den. TEN, tan. PEN, pan. MEN, man. And KEN, can. Next है ET. Example PAT, pet. GET, get. JET, jet. WET, wet. NET, net and LET, let. Okay. नेक्स्ट है EST. एग्जाम्पल है NEST nest, REST rest, BEST best and CHEST chest, WEST west and TEST test. Okay. Then kids, this chapter sounds E is completed. I hope that you understood well. Thank you. Have a nice day.